Hi, this is Tom, and we're going to pick up where we left off. We were almost done, but ran a bit short of time. And now we're going to calculate R. So here we go. We've written it out in this nice big formula, and let's plug in our values. So we have N. N is we have 9 students times the sum of the XY's. Well, that's 259. Minus the sum of the X's, that's 95, times the sum of the Y's, which are 24. Divide all of that, and we have this big square root coming. Remember, there's a bunch of parentheses in here, so you need to be careful. N is 9 again. The sum of the x's squared, that's 1031.5, minus the sum of the x's, well, that's 95, and that'll have to be squared, times n, which is 9, times the sum of the y squared, which is 106, minus the sum of the y's, which is 24, and those have to be squared as well. There. So what we need to do is put all those in your calculator. Put all those in your calculator, and in the numerator, believe it or not, it works out to be 51 divided by the square root of 97,713. Wow, 90, that's a big one. Well, what happens when you put that in your calculator? What you come up with is 0.163. Well, wait a minute. Remember what we said. Hang on, we're going to go all the way back to the top. So hold on, don't get dizzy now. Look at this. It says when r is close to 0, no relation between the data exists. So we're definitely not close to -1 because our value is positive. And it's definitely not close to 1. Remember, if it was close to 1, it'd be like 0.9 something or 0.8. We're not. We're close to 0. So what does that tell us? It says because this is our r value. So because r is close to 0, no linear relationship between the data exists. There. So now we've gotten to see a calculation of a negative r value, an r value close to 0, and we've even seen from our height and shoe size that would calculate, if we wanted, and it's actually in your homework, that would give you a positive r value. All right, from here on out, it's your time to practice some of those. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.